vistas.
Mont-Joli is a town located in the Bas-Saint Laurent region of Quebec. Situated on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, it serves as a gateway to the Gaspésie Peninsula. The town is known for its scenic beauty, with views of the river and surrounding landscapes. Economically, Mont-Joli has historically relied on forestry, agriculture, and transportation. The town is a transportation hub, with a regional airport, Mont-Joli Airport, serving the area and providing connections to other parts of Quebec and beyond. Mont-Joli is also a cultural hub in the region, with various events and attractions drawing visitors throughout the year. The town hosts festivals, concerts, and exhibitions that showcase the local arts, culture, and heritage. In terms of tourism, Mont-Joli is often a stopover for travelers en route to the Gaspésie Peninsula or other destinations in eastern Quebec. The town offers amenities such as accommodations, restaurants, and shops for visitors passing through or staying to explore the area. Overall, Mont-Joli is a charming town with a rich cultural heritage and stunning natural surroundings, making it a noteworthy destination in the Bas-Saint Laurent region of Quebec.